Hey guys, it's XT40 Lou here in the RC garage, and I got my DeadBolt Scx24. Actually, not mine. I gave this one to my grandson about 3 years ago. And so it's getting, the body's kind of old and worn out, but I'm gonna save it because it's still pretty nice. Put this, show you what it's gonna get. We've already started the painting process. It's going to be like a brown with white. And so that's where we're at. We're in the early stages. Still haven't taken the old one off and done any of the body mounts. So that's the next step. Check it out, YouTubers. C10. This is my grandson's first project. Oh, it's not lined up here. Have to lock it down. Chevy C10. It used to be a DeadBolt. Now it's the C10 body.